What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP. Wanted to do a little bit of an update on my video yesterday, in which we talked about XRP. I mean, we're basically technically we're at the same levels here. I would say the market has been a little bit better, so that might have an influence on XRP. But I also just wanted to take some time and talk about my plans for XRP. All right. Well, first of all, what I also wanted to talk about is the fundamentals. What I said about XRP yesterday, and some of you were a little bit critical on that, and I understand. All right, and that's also what these videos are for. I have my own opinions on the markets and on potential trades, and some might agree, some might not. And the XRP community is very supportive of Ripple and XRP, and that's great. But for me, the two scenarios still stand, all right? And the only thing that can convince me of one of those two scenarios is the price in the end, all right? The price never lies. And those scenarios is basically after the whole SEC settlement and the whole SEC ordeal, which has been going on for the last couple of years. It basically either means that now XRP is free and it can really start to build some strong partnerships. So yesterday there was some sort of an announcement of a partnership with an entity in the UAE, I believe. That's all great. So it's either that, all right, that now, all right, well, they have to pay the fine, but they can actually focus on Ripple again. They can focus on making it great, which would be the bullish scenario. And the bearish scenario is that 125 or 50, I'm not sure, $125 million fine is too much, and they will not be able to pay it. And that's going to be the demise of XRP. And just in general, the whole, like, a little bit of a tangent. But back in the 2000s, Microsoft also had like a huge lawsuit with the DOJ in the US. And they won that, but that still caused the whole team and the whole company to be fatigued by that lawsuit. That's a possibility for Ripple as well, all right? Even if the fine is easily payable, that is potentially a scenario, all right, that we have to take into account. Now, I'm not making, like, I'm not telling you I think one or the other scenario is going to be the scenario here. For me, look, the way I'm looking at XRP right now, I think it's holding on well, all right? So I am slightly bullish on XRP. The thing I don't like about this, though, is that, well, it's uncorrelated to the market, which is a good thing and a bad thing. That was basically one of the reasons why we could have this whole rally here. So that was a good thing. It's a bad thing now, all right? Because Bitcoin is doing relatively well here. I don't think it's fully over. I don't think Bitcoin is turning completely bullish here. But XRP is not really doing much after that initial spike we had. And what you can see at this point of time as well is that we are losing some momentum. And that I don't like about XRP. What I would like to see for XRP, like that, there's two reasons or two areas where I will enter. And the best case scenario is that we break this whole range. All right, if XRP is able to break above 68 cents, I will enter. All right, because now if you look at the daily time frame, we are basically in one big consolidation. So that's one of my plans, I guess. Like if we break above 68 cents on the daily time frame, I'll enter. And that's also when I will start to assume that the first scenario, the bullish scenario, is going to be the true scenario. But if XRP, like at this moment with the momentum that's dropping, I would actually say it's a little bit more likely that XRP will drop down. So another plan of mine is buying from this level right here between 56 and 54 cents. All right, I think technically that's a very strong level. Like I said, I still, even though I'm also talking about a bearish scenario, I'm still more bullish on XRP than bearish. So that's another, if we hit that and we get a strong reaction, that's another one of my trade strategies on XRP. All right, but in general, I think if we're looking at the technicals, I think there's still a lot to be said about what's possible here. I will keep you updated on that. There's no new information technically since I last covered XRP, but now at least you know how I'm trading XRP as well. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.